Hi everyone, this is Code Sensei Ian. This video is highlighting the best of the best in this week's CodeAthon activities. So we're going to start by showing the beginner activity, which in this case was a joke remix. So the students were given a simple little program, or at least it looks simple, with two sprites telling each other a joke. What do pagans like to eat? Fish? Nope. What then? Iceburgers. So you can see the challenge here is obviously getting the timing right. There's obviously the two sprites, and there's a lot of opportunity for the kids to get creative in what they're going to present. So here's one of the best ones that we had this week from Feather Star the Cat. So what I like about it is that there's a whole bunch of different sprites that she's integrated into this, and she's going to have them all talking to each other. I like the animation in it, and there are sound effects, which I've turned off just for the purpose of this video. But the joke she has and the interaction she has in between all the different sprites I thought was very creative and very cool. So good job with that one. The next activity at the intermediate level was this thing, which is very appropriate. That was this social distancing activity, very appropriate for our times. And the idea is that the two sprites are running around and you're controlling the one trying to stay away and keeping a social distance. So this one was totally awesome, submitted by Innocent L. It was amazing how much detail and how much time went into this. There's a whole set of instructions that it came with. And then when you actually play the game, and I apologize, I took the music out of this one too, just so I could talk. The idea of this one is just to try to get you away from all the people with COVID and the disease. So the story is awesome because he tells it's like pages of story about how you're a police officer and you've woken up from a coma and the world is totally different. And now you've got to try to find the antidote and get through all these levels. And you can't let anybody touch you, otherwise you might die. And one of the other cool things that he put in, dang it, I died. But one of the other cool things that he put in on the harder levels is he said, well, if you get stuck, hit S and you can go to the next level. So if you get stuck on something, you can go to the next level. So I thought that was super cool. Rumor is that Innocent L spent many hours on this game and it shows. That was a lot of fun. The second game that intermediates could do is this Ghost Hunter game. So this thing is so complicated. I was so impressed at how much stuff there was. So this is their starting point. They have a ghost. You're trying to shoot the ghost. The ghost is moving at random speeds. There's different obstacles and things you're trying to get with it. And then, oh my gosh, I can't even hit it. It's so fast. And then when you actually finally hit it, there's a sort of a score chart. There you go, at the bottom that shows you how many you've hit. So that's a very cool game. And here's the edition that one of our ninjas did, called Bear Hunter. So right away I like this game because it's got bears remaining. I know how many are left. It's got this thing at the bottom where he's keeping track of the score, so I like that element to it. And there's also this element that the bears can actually hide behind the trees. So I shoot it. I know I've shot it because it stands up, and look, I can't get him because he's behind a rock. So that was great use of programming and layering all the different elements into this game. So you can see I've got 4 bears left. 3. I got that guy. I might win here. There's only 2 left. Where is he? There we go. You win. So terrific game sent in by Bonjour 2011. Good work with that one. And now the last thing I wanted to talk about or show is that we've had this ongoing National Roblox Championship. And so on Monday, we had a real blast playing paintball. And there were teams from Vaughan, Regina, Ottawa, and Burlington. And it was just a total blast playing with all the kids, yelling at each other on Discord. It was so much fun that I encourage others to try doing this with their group or signing up. It's all free. And you can see here, I just want to highlight the leaderboard here with Awesome Daniel 9 and Code Ninja V from Vaughan. Fighting for first and second, we played 3 games, and the same 2 guys seem to be dominating each game. But in the end, as you tally the scores, I just want to highlight that Team Burlington came out on top. So look forward to playing some more games with everyone. Look forward to seeing the Week 5 activities, and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.